Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to recover deleted emails from Gmail. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, I'm going to delete some email, and after that if I go to my trash, and here is the 2 emails I just deleted. To recover these emails, simply select those email and click on this move to, and now I'm going to select inbox. And now if I open my inbox, and here you can see the 2 emails have been recovered. So this was how we can recover deleted emails from Gmail. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.